Hey viewers, this time I'm gonna show you how to replace the water heater tank. I got a customer here, been inspected by the water heater, been inspected by the Laclede Gas Company, and they find out there's a leak on the valve. So now I'm gonna replace the whole thing because the valve itself is cost like probably $400, but the new water heater, including everything, you can buy only like a $695, $699. All right. So we decided to replace the whole thing with a brand new one. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is disconnect the gas. This is natural gas. So disconnect the gas, then the water, then drain the tank, drain everything out before I pull this out, because this is 50-gallon tank with natural gas operated. All right. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect everything first. Okay, the water is already off. I'm gonna disconnect the gas first. Let me do the water supply first. So I'm cutting this water supply. After I turn it off on the cold side, this is the cold side and this is the hot side. This is supplying the water inside the tank, which is cold, then coming out here hot, going to the house. All right. Now the water now is draining. I'm going to disconnect the gas supply while I'm draining out all the water inside. It takes a while to drain this up. It's a 50-gallon. Until the water totally drained. Okay, I already removed the old one. This is the old one, and I put the new one in just in place. Then I'm gonna connect the gas line, the water line, and the exhaust, then all of the accessories on it. All right. Let's do the gas line first. Okay. Then we put a new thread sealer. Alright, so gas pipe is already connected. Alright, now I'm gonna do the water line. Okay, this is the connector, a union connector. So everything else are new. You can't use the old connector, even though not leaking. So it's better to put a new one so that will last. Okay, now I'm doing the water supply, modifying those pipe because it's way off now. See, you can tell this is the cold and this is the hot. Cold and this is the hot, so kind of off a lot. So I'm gonna reroute the pipe. This is the place for expansion tank, thermal expansion tank. We placed right here. Then I'm gonna support with a strap up to the joist. All right, this is a code requirement now. This is a new code requirement, and if you don't have this and you're gonna sell the house, so they're gonna request you to put an expansion tank to able to comply with the code. All right. Okay, I'm doing this connector for the water supply line. I'm cleaning up. Then later on, I'm gonna solder this down, all the connectors, all the joint. I'm trying to clean everything to get a good weld, to get a good solder. Okay, now I'm soldering this pipe. This is a new line for hot and cold supply.